Have I become identified with the space of solitude, of loneliness and aloneness, of being at a distance from the outside world? As an artist, has my body exhausted you? Has the weight of my body, the weight of my being in everything I am been too much? I find myself returning to the same place again and again. As an artist in process, I am the process. I return to this place to create and again, and still I am daily only fragments of it. What you see are just moments, small images of what it means to create, to keep returning, to keep sitting the time it takes cannot be so short. It stretches, it renews, it folds into itself. And I wonder, have I exhausted you? Even here, with my solitude, with this repetition, with this quiet insistence. How often do you scroll past? Do you grow tired of seeing the same body in the same place again and again and again? As a artist, me as similar moments of memories and our identities. Have I exhausted you enough and still not produced an outcome that proves I am enough?
The artist's role is to bring out the inner world.
In this space, all I seem to hold is solitude and place them into the physical canvas. An artist's duty as far as I'm concerned is to reflect the time even when it's
the object, the needle, the thread, the bead, the silver shimmer, no place for self-pity. The true result is what the work has done to me and for me. I don't believe it made me breathe slower, made me think differently about time, about care, about finishing.
The needle, the thread, the bead, the needle, thread, 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 bead, beads.